morning, everyone. Sanibonani, dumelang, goeiemorgen, molweni nonke. On this special occasion, the Snowflake Rising Stars Bake Off 2024, right here in East London, Monty. We are so thrilled to have all of these amazing bakers from the Boracay region to come and show us their masterpieces today. And we're all here rooting for all of you.
And my inspiration is to start a little bit of a cake shop.
I run batter and dough, so I'm into cakes and cookies, the chunky cookies.
So I'm here representing the person that wants to try and do anything.
I own Sugar Coated Bakery in Basel. Passion for baking really stemmed from baking in the kitchen with my aunt.
My business is called From My Kitchen. I'm based in Komani, Queenstown. What sets my business apart from others is customer service.
My target market is people like me who like things but can't afford luxury. So at a reasonable price.
I cook locally in my area for my community.
My company is called Yengosi Eats. I'm a home baker based in East London. Remember, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy cake.
My dream is to teach other people how to bake.
I want to really bring out the uniqueness of the baking products.
Snowflake's purpose for doing this specific initiative is to empower local bakers in the region. So not only do we want to connect with our consumers on a deep emotional level, but we want to help local bakers to be successful and craft their skills and talent to be even more amazing. During the entry phase, Snowflake has reached over 150 entries. And we are proud to say that we have received such remarkable entries showcasing how amazing the baking talent is in Boracay.
You have 90 minutes, an hour 30 minutes to show us your masterpieces. Remember, you stand a chance to win that business toolkit worth 30,000. You stand a chance to get the PR coverage, Snowflake stock, and 3 of you will walk away with the cash prize of either 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000 rand.
Initiatives such as this we support because what happens is it's empowerment. It's empowering our young people, it's empowering our bakers.
With all that we're doing, we're not just living off the community, but we are living within the community as a corporate and also with our brands as well, making those differences and the impact on the communities.
Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm the winner of the Rising Star Snowflake Baking Championship, and I'm currently on my roadshow around East London.
Thank you, Snowflake. You've made my life heaven on earth.